How to hear your microphone through your speakers. So if you want to play your microphone's audio out from your computer speakers, I'll show you how to do this in a couple of easy steps. So first thing you need to do is come down to the bottom right hand side of your taskbar. You can then right click on this volume icon and press sound settings. Now go and scroll down the page and click on more sound settings. From this window here, click on the playback tab. You then need to go and select the device that you want your sound to be played out from. So mine's going to be my laptop speakers like this. Now make sure your speakers are set to the default device by clicking on them and pressing the set default button. Once you've done this, press recording at the top of the page. And now you need to locate your microphone. So mine's this one here. Make sure it's also set to the default device by pressing set default. Now right click on your microphone and press properties. Now click on the listen tab and make sure listen to this device is turned on. You can also make sure playback through this device is set to the default playback device. And once you've done this, just press apply and OK. Now the next time you speak through your microphone, you'll be able to hear it in your speakers and your headset.